All right, teams, you ready for your weekly shop talk? This week we discuss the art of taking initiative. Taking initiative in an automotive repair setting is crucial to the success of any shop. It involves identifying areas for improvement, proposing solutions, and leading by example to promote others to do the same. For example, you notice your shop is frequently running out of a certain type of part. This is causing delays in repairs and frustrating customers. After investigating, you realize your shop is using a supplier that doesn't have a reliable stock of that part. You propose switching to a different supplier with a better track record of having the part in stock. This solution not only improved your repair process, but it also helped improve customer satisfaction. The idea of taking initiative like our example seems pretty basic to most of us, right? In an automotive repair setting, it's the little acts of initiative that really add up for the customer experience. In addition to solving problems, taking initiative can involve staying up to date on industry developments and learning new skills. Some examples are taking a course on advanced diagnostics to improve your ability to identify and fix complex issues, or enrolling in a service advisor training course that can help you understand your customers' needs better. This not only helps you improve your own performance, but it makes you a more valuable member of your team. Overall, taking initiative in an automotive repair setting requires a combination of problem-solving skills and a willingness to learn and improve. By leading by example and motivating others to do the same, you can create a culture of continuous improvement and ensure that your shop is always operating at its best. Want more shop talk? Click that like and subscribe button and tune in next week for our newest video.